I run a $200 million company and don't make much money.
Okay, then why you still working?
Because I love the process.
Okay, but don't you love your life and your wife and your family and your other things?
Yes,
Yeah.
but I also invest in my business because my business is the thing that will let me love my wife and my things forever.
But it has to be profitable, isn't it?
Of course,
So my question is, how much percentage
as
of
little as possible.
Little mean 1%, 2%?
That's not the right way to think about it. How much money do you need to take home to pay for your life that you're so happy about? And let me ask you a question. Do you need 4 sports jackets or 3? Do you need 11 pairs of pants or 7? Do you need to go on 3 vacations or 2? My friend, every dollar you put back into your business gives you the potential to have that business be healthier long term. Most people start businesses to take the money out to buy themselves things, which is why they never build long-term big businesses. I just literally told you up here that I was willing to give up my house on the Upper East Side, my home in the Hamptons, and live in an apartment in Newark. Life and living your life is based on many different things. There's people that make $150,000 a year, and then when they make $200,000, they're miserable, but they were happy at $150,000. That's real life. So you're defining your life on an arbitrary number based on how much money you made last year or how much you want to make this year. That is not a mapping to the happiness. Meanwhile, Facebook is one of the best deals of all time happening right now. So you're not going to invest as much as properly needed because you want to buy stuff. By the way, Mazel Tov, enjoy. You do you. But that's the debate.
Yeah, because a lot of people say, come out from the comfort zone, but I just love the comfort zone because this is life.
Mazel Tov. Just don't complain when your business doesn't grow that much over the next decade.
Yeah.
You're not feeding your business. You're feeding yourself. Good. But you better shut up about why am I not growing. You know why you're not growing. You're not feeding it. So to answer your question, why do I do it? Because I love the process more than the other stuff. You love the other stuff more than the process. That's okay. I don't think I'm right. That's just who we are. So I'll probably build billion-dollar companies and you won't. Doesn't mean I'm right. You might have more vacations and eat more food and go to more matches and spend more time with people. That's great. Life is about choices, but you can't have both.